Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 2018 Ford Focus ST. This is an ST1, has an exhaust, blow-off valve, some pretty common bolt-on mods. But these cars have a pretty special place in my heart. I actually owned a 2018 Focus ST1, finished in blue metallic, but I was tossed between blue metallic and chili red. I think it's either like hot chili red, something like that. This one only has about 36,000 miles on it. Flowmaster exhaust. But yeah, I'm very, very familiar with these cars, to say the absolute least. Although I bought it new in 2018, had it until June of 2019, put 23,000 miles on it in a year. Yep. Oh, RS intake box. That's a good mod. Oh, this actually has a lot of mods on it. MSG ignition coils, Cobb intake, but it's all high quality stuff. I like it. I like it a lot. So, the reason I have this shut off is because I know a little trick that I don't think any or very many ST Focus, this also works for Escapes, stuff like that. You have a hidden menu. Hit and hold OK and down. Just keep holding. There you go. So now you have a secret menu that's essentially supposed to be a service menu. So you have all your different. Now, that's not in miles. It's, I can't tell you what unit it is because it's not kilometers, it's not miles. I can't tell you what it is. It's all in hex. I don't know what hex is or anything like that. But to exit it, all you have to do is this. Just hold it. Wait, no, come on. There you go. But the only way you can access it is holding while you start the car. Otherwise, you can't access it. Backup camera. 2018 was very much the rarest year of these cars because they were only made until April. And then they cut off production. Whereas everything else had a full model year. The 2018s did not. You actually had a couple new colors for 18. This being one of them. My blue metallic was one. I want to say there was a yellow, but I think that was 17 and 18. I think it was 2 or 3 different colors. It's funny though, I feel right back at home in this car. I put, like I said, I put like 25,000 miles on it in a year. Sold it right before COVID, which was a year before COVID, but still, I probably would have made money if I kept it. So sitting right now behind the wheel where I can't see the color of the car, this is very familiar. I kept mine stock. I didn't have any mods to it or anything like that. So obviously this one feels a little bit different. love about the ST, and the reason why I bought one over a GTI, well, one, because I guess it all circles back to the same reason. I bought it because I knew they were discontinued, and it was my last chance to get one. I love GTIs, I absolutely love them, but I always thought the ST was a little bit more raw feeling, which in turn made it more fun. This one with the mods, yeah, I've driven a couple modified ones, and it really wakes up the platform. But even straight out of the box, these cars are phenomenal, and they're so much fun. And around here, everybody has a GTI or a WRX. That's what the choices are. And now, you know, if you have money, you have an STI or a Type R. The STs and RSs just have a special place in my heart because they were here for 5 years for the ST, 2 years for the RS, and then they were gone. We got one generation here. Well, the ST, we got a second generation back in like the early 2000s, but that wasn't really an ST. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.